Assalamu alaikum. I am Warda Khalid and today we are going to study human immunodeficiency virus that is usually termed as HIV. H represents its human, that it only affects human beings. The I is for immunodeficiency, that this virus weakens the immune system and increases the risk of infection. The V represents virus that attacks the body and eventually overcomes the body's immune system. HIV belongs to a special class of viruses called retroviruses, and within this class HIV is placed in the subgroup lentiviruses. Now these are the viruses that usually have a genome of RNA that is converted into DNA and then the process of replication starts. तो ये ऐसे वायरसेस हैं जो कि अपने अंदर कंटेन RNA होता है इनके अंदर, लेकिन ये अब कन्वर्ट करते हैं अपने जीनोम को DNA में एंड देन दे स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन. बाकी जो दूसरे भी DNA कंटेनिंग वायरसेस हैं उनमें डायरेक्ट DNA ही एज ए जीनोम मौजूद होता है, लेकिन इनमें RNA एज ए जीनोम मौजूद होता है जो कि खुद को DNA में कन्वर्ट करता है एंड देन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट्स. अदर लेंटिवायरसेस इंक्लूड SIV, FIV, Visna and CAEV, which causes the diseases in monkeys, cats, sheep and goats. The HIV particles surround themselves with a coat of fatty material known as viral envelope. This envelope gives out lots of spikes that are around 72 in number. These spikes are made up of knobs and handles made of proteins GP120 and GP41 respectively. Just below the viral envelope is the layer called the matrix, which is made from the protein P17 that is also called matrix protein. Below the matrix is another layer of P24 protein forming a viral core and is usually bullet shaped. Inside the core are the three enzymes required for the HIV replication, that are reverse transcriptase, integrase and protease. Also held within the core is the HIV genetic material, which consists of two identical copies of single-stranded RNA that is further converted into DNA by the process of reverse transcription, and then the DNA is integrated into the nucleus and then the process of replication starts. Now we will study the causes of HIV. The HIV infection is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. After HIV is in the body, it starts to destroy CD4 and T cells, which are the white blood cells that help the body fight against infection and diseases. The HIV is spread when the blood, semen or vaginal fluid from an infected person enter other person's body through usually sexual contact, from sharing needles when injecting drugs, or from mother to baby during birth. Coming towards its pathogenesis, the first step is the attachment of virus at the CD4 receptor and chemokine co-receptors. The next step is the viral fusion and uncoating. The third step is the process of reverse transcription. And reverse transcriptase is the enzyme that performs the process of reverse transcription. Next step is the migration of the DNA to the nucleus of the host cell. After the migration to the nucleus, the integration of viral DNA into the cellular DNA take place by the enzyme integrase. Then the process of transcription and RNA processes take place. Then protein synthesis occurs. The protease cleaves the polypeptides into functional HIV proteins and the virion assembles. Then the process of viral budding and viral maturation take place. Coming toward the stages of HIV, there are 4 stages of HIV. The first stage of HIV infection is called primary infection. There is flu-like illness occur 2 to 6 weeks after the infection, or there may be no symptoms at all and the infected person can infect the other person. The stage 2 is termed as asymptomatic. This stage is free from symptoms. There may be swollen glands. The HIV antibodies are detected in the blood in this stage. This stage lasts for about 10 years. अब ऐसे कि 10 years तक रह भी सकती है और इससे पहले भी जो नेक्स्ट स्टेजेस में ये जा सकते हैं. The stage 3 is asymptomatic. The person starts showing symptoms like fever and skin diseases. The immune system detects emergence of opportunistic infection and cancers. The stage 4 is termed as AIDS, in which the acquired immunodeficiency syndromes take place. The immune system weakens, the illness becomes more severe, leading to AIDS. The illness becomes more severe, leading to emergence of opportunistic infection and cancers. Coming toward the transmission of HIV virus, the virus is passed from one person to another through blood to blood and unprotected sex. In addition, infected pregnant women can pass HIV to their baby during pregnancy or delivery, as well as through breastfeeding. The body fluids have been proven to spread HIV are blood, semen, vaginal fluid, and breast milk. Other body fluids containing blood, the cerebrospinal fluid that surrounds the brain and the spinal cord, and the synovial fluid that surrounds the bone joints. This picture elaborates the transmission of HIV. The symptoms of the disease includes diarrhea, fatigue or weakness, fever, headache, joint pain, night sweats, rash, swollen glands, weight loss, and yeast infection of the mouth or vagina that last a long time or occur frequently, and the risk of infections appear. The other secondary or primary infections take place, the bacterial infections take place, and cancers can also develop as the immune system is weakened. Coming toward the diagnostics, ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, and EIA, that is enzyme immunoassays, are available. Western blotting is also available. Coming towards the prevention and cure, there is no vaccine to prevent HIV and there is no cure for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ना ही कोई वैक्सीनेशन अवेलेबल है और ना ही कोई इसका इलाज है, ना कोई जो है इसका इलाज या क्योर अवेलेबल है. There is no cure available for AIDS, but it is possible to protect yourself. The only thing you can do is the protection. That means educating yourself about HIV and avoid any behavior that allow the HIV infected fluids into the body can be the main prevention that you can adopt. HIV negative, the preventions for the HIV negative individuals are educate yourself and others, use a clean needle, be cautious about blood products, get a regular screening test, and have protection during sex. Preventions for the HIV positive individuals include follow safe sex practices, don't share needles or syringes, don't donate blood or organs, antiretroviral treatments are given, and if pregnant, get medical care right away.